Good morning, children. Today, 5th class mathematics. Yesterday, we discussed that is prime factors. Prime factors in division method. Okay. Today, we have to discuss about prime factors. Find the prime factors using the factor tree method. Okay. First of all, they given the first number 42. This one also same, we have to multiply with the prime numbers. Okay. Here, first multiply with 2. 2 into 2 2's 4, 2 1's 2. 2 is a prime number. And for this 2, you have to circle. Next, 21. When you will get 21 in 2 table, we won't get. Check the 3 table. Read the 3 table once. When you will get 21 in 3 table, 3 sevens 21. So 3 into 7. 3 sevens 21. Same like this. Here 3 only, 3 ones 3 will get. For this 7, 7 ones 7 will get. These also prime numbers. So, therefore, 4 to 42 is equal to only the circle numbers you should write here. 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3's 6. 6 7's 42. You will get the same answer. Same like this. Second question, that is 24. Solution. Okay. 24. It is look like a tree, so it is known as tree method, factor tree method. Here also multiply with 2. 2 1's 2, 2 2's 4. Circle the prime number. Here you will get 12. Again you have multiply with 2. That is 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 into 3. 2 3's 6. Okay. 6 not a prime number. So, no need to circle the 6. You should circle only the prime numbers. Okay. 6. And 2 also prime number. 3 also prime number. 2 1's 2. 3 1's 3 we will get. So, here you can stop the multiplication. Therefore, 24 is equal to only circled numbers you should write using the multiplication symbol. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. If you want means how to multiply and check. If you will get the same number, your problem is right. If you will get wrong answer, you have to check it once. 2 2's 4. 4 2's 8. 8 3's 24. You will get the same number. Next, third question, that is 1 8 18. Again 18 multiply with the 2 table. 2 9's 18. 9 is not a prime number, so no need to circle. Again in 2 table 9 not coming, so you have to check in 3 table. 3 3's 9. 3 into 3. 3 3's 9. 3 also prime number. Therefore, 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 6. 6 3's 18. Okay. Next, fourth question. That is 2 5 25. 25. You can multiply. 25 will come in the 2 table? No, not coming. So you should multiply in the 3 table. 3 table also we won't get 25. 4 table? 4 is not a prime number. Check with 5. 5 5's 25. 5 is a prime number. So I am circling the 5. Therefore, 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Next, fifth question, that is 66. 66, you can do the multiplication. that is 2 into 2 3 6, 2 3 6, circle 2. Now 3 table, 3 1 3, 3 1 3, circle 3, circle the 11. Why? Because 11 and 3 also a prime numbers. Therefore, answer write down. 66 is equal to 2 into 3 into 1 1. 2 3 6. 6 11 66. Okay. Next. Go for the next problem, that is 14 80 80. Solution here. 80. 2 into 2 4 8 0. Circle 2 here. Next. 2 into 2. 2 2 4 0. Next. 2 into 10. Circle 2. Next. 2 into 5. 2 5s. Circle the 2 and 5. Why? Because these two are prime numbers. Here. Therefore, here place not there means I am writing here. Therefore, 808 is equal to, write down these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. See. Here place not there means I am doing this problem again here. 14th one. 80 80. First. 80. 2 into 4. 2 4 8 0. Circle the 2. Why? Because 2 is a prime number. Okay. Next again. Here we are multiplying these two numbers means we will get this answer. Remember that. Again 2 into 2. 2 2 4 0. Again circle the 2. Why? Because it is also a prime number. And again 2 into 10. 2 times 20. Circle the 2. Next again 2 into 5. Circle 2 and 5. Why? Because these two are prime numbers. Okay. Here. Therefore 80 80 is equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2 and 2 into 5. 2 2s 4. 4 2s 8. 8 to 16. 16 5s 80. Okay. 5 to 10. 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 80. So these are the factor tree method. It is look like a tree. So it is called the find the prime factors using the factor tree method. Okay. This one you have to complete in Maths Notes exercise 5.1 B bit. Exercise 5.1 B bit. That is textbook page number 97. Okay. Once everyone open textbook page number 97, children. Exercise 5.1 BBT is there. Here they given 15 questions. Out of 15, I explained the 6 questions. Okay. Remaining problems you have to do in your maths notebook neatly. This is your homework today. Thank you. First of all, understand the problem, then you can do. Don't copy simply. Okay.